The Rogers Ignite TV Guide, powered by Xfinity, is your central hub for accessing live TV, on-demand content, and streaming apps. To browse, press the Guide button on your remote. This displays a grid of channels and times. Use the directional buttons to scroll through listings horizontally and vertically. You can customize the view using options like For You, AI-curated suggestions based on your viewing habits, sports, or movies. To search, use voice search by pressing the microphone button on your remote or using Alexa Google Assistant. For example, say, "Show me action movies tonight." Alternatively, use the text search function to filter by genre, actor, or keyword. The guide integrates with external data to ensure up-to-date listings. Rogers Ignite TV offers cloud DVR functionality to record your favorite shows and movies. This cloud-based system stores up to 500 hours of recordings, accessible from multiple devices. To schedule a recording, navigate to the program in the TV Guide, highlight it, and select the Record button on your remote. For television series, select the Series Recording option to automatically capture all episodes, ensuring you never miss an installment. The Cloud DVR stores up to 500 hours of recordings, with options to expand storage for an additional monthly fee if needed. To access your recordings, navigate to the My Recordings section, where you can view, manage, and play back all your saved content. The cloud-based system allows you to access your recordings on multiple devices, including your TV, smartphone, and tablet. Enjoy your content anytime, anywhere.